What happens if you mix crypto with gaming, put it together and make a pre-sale package? You get a 100x gem. Welcome back to 99B YouTube channel. I am your host Umar Khan. Today we're taking a look at a pre-sale gem that has raised less than $400,000 that you're not going to want to miss out on. It's launching on Solana. It is gaming, it is crypto, a mix of gambling. This one is going to be a coin you absolutely don't want to miss. Before we start the video, I want to ask, if you haven't already, smash the subscribe button down below. Let's take a look at this puppy. And that is the #1 GameFi on Solana, ticker symbol DICE, the ultimate casino token experience, exclusive benefits retroactively, and with every wager you join the community, play on Telegram, and play on the web. They're currently in the middle of the Megadice pre-sale. As you can see, they already sold 4.8 million tokens, raising a total of $336,000, which is absolutely insane. Guys, this is mega early. They haven't raised their first $1 million, and these pre-sale coins typically end up raising 10 to 15 to 20 million dollars, and then beyond when get listing on big exchanges. So if you're into small cap coins, this might be the one for you. Again, right now gaming and Solana both being very popular, they've created an attractive project to lure in a great audience, and that's what's been having a successful run this bull run. So let's take a look. What is Megadice? Already a rapidly growing global crypto casino brand with over 50,000 players. Megadice is not a new casino. As one of the top brands in crypto casino space, our focus is growth and adding value to our players, like with the introduction of DICE. They have 400 games from the top providers, 50 plus sports and esports. So again, if you're big on sports betting and sports gambling, this could be great as well. With 50,000 players, this is awesome. Active monthly players is 10,000 plus, 50 million plus monthly wagering. So again, they have a ton of volume already on their platforms, and now releasing a new coin with their current ecosystem could be great, as well as a new ecosystem. I guess that's why they chose to go on Solana, to introduce that big Solana crowd as well. Airdrop for casino players. So the $2.25 million airdrop. So it looks like they have a massive airdrop. So season 1, join the excitement with a stake in our $750,000 airdrop. Stay active, hit a wager volume of 5,000 within 21 days, and enjoy the retroactive rewards based on our expected launch value. So I have a massive $750,000 giveaway for season 1. Then season 2, another $750,000. Don't miss your chance to share on the $750,000 US airdrop. Wager in any cryptocurrency on pre-sale to token launch and win big based on expected launch value. And season 3, another $750,000 airdrop, keeping your game strong within 21 days and a wager of at least 5,000 US dollar retroactively based on expected launch value. This is absolutely awesome, especially for people who've already been gambling and playing on their website and platform. So our features, we see Megadice daily rewards to holders based on the casino's performance. So it's almost like you're getting a stake, a piece of the casino as well, which is awesome. No other platform does it quite like Megadice. For holders of DICE that their tokens are staked, we introduce our first of a kind daily rewards based on performance of Megadice Casino. Now everyone can share the success of one of the world's fastest growing online crypto casinos. There is no better time than now to enjoy the benefits that come with holding DICE. And again, you can buy now. And it looks like they're also getting into the NFT space. Again, this website is packed with information, so I'm gonna link it down below. The link is where you could actually buy it, but also if you want to take a look and do some more research. Okay, so limited edition NFTs. Selected holders of DICE and Megadice players will receive limited edition NFTs that will give access to special privileges and rewards, or it can be traded on the market. The choice is yours. So again, not only are you gonna get some special limited edition NFTs, but they're gonna have special perks. And again, if you don't want the perks, you could just trade it on the platform, which is super dope. All right, gaming ecosystem. DICE is seamlessly integrated to Megadice Casino, offering exclusive access, rewards, and benefits. Early bird bonuses. Early participant in pre-sale receive a special bonus DICE tokens, increasing their initial investment value. So again, if you get in early, you'll be able to reap some solid rewards. They have a referral program as well, so if you're into that, that's awesome. DICE holders can enjoy a generous 25% rev share through Megadice referral program. So again, if you're holders and you want to get get participate in that 25% rev share. That's awesome. You can refer it to your friends and earn a bag as well. And then I have a how to buy tab, very easy, a quick tokenomics, the total supply, the allocations, pre-sale, airdrop, LP, casino, staking, marketing, and affiliates, and then the next gen casino experience white paper and their solid roadmap. This one is going to be an absolute gem that you don't want to miss out on, guys. And again, like I said, they've already raised over $300,000, which is absolutely nothing in the long term. This puppy could be such a big project this bull run. You absolutely don't want to miss out. The Solana tokens have been taken over, gaming tokens have been taken over, and now with a solid ecosystem in place, a community they already have, plus a new community, this one could go to the absolute moon. Like always, not financial advice, always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. But let me know how you're feeling about this project in the comment section below. Are you bullish? Are you gonna grab a bag? I'm gonna read all the comments, so we'll continue the conversation down there. Until next time, it's your boy Umar. Peace.